Why, hello, it's me, MrSasaki, and today we're doing Allegretto playthrough. Are you ready? Let's practice together, slow and fast. Allegretto is basically less allegro, okay? So it's kind of a chill allegro. It's not super happy. It's kind of medium. So our speed will be slow. D1, 2, 2, 4, 3, 3, 1, A. Ready, and... Time for the fast playthrough. So let's do more upbeat. Here we go. So dum bum 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 bum. 1, 2, ready, go. And that's it. So, I hope you're successful. If not, go back and practice. Find a speed that works for you, and you will be successful. And I will see you in the next song. Thanks. Bye.